Hey, it's Stephanie with the Stephanie O Show on 103.9 FM, LI News Radio. And I'm here at Celebrity Boxing in Harrah's Casino, Philadelphia. And I'm here with Daryl. Daryl does all the camera work for all these sporting events. How are you?
I'm doing good, doing good.
Yeah, tonight's going to be some crazy night with Tan Mom, huh?
I'm expecting it. That's why they hired the extreme photographer, the extreme paparazzi for the night, because of the nonsense that Tan Mom brings to the ring, which is great for pictures.
Did you do any of the media before with Tan Mom?
I did a couple of the shots with it. I'm strictly a still photographer because I believe that it's a very good challenge to try and get all of that craziness, like at the last press conference, where it took 3 people to bring her out of there. She really wants a piece of the MILF Mom.
Oh, my goodness. All right, well, we need to go in there and check this out.
Yes, you do. Stay tuned.
All right, it's Stephanie with the Stephanie O Show on 103.9 FM.